How's that for a grand entrance? Magnetic door, guys. I want to talk to you about remodeling in place quickly. Remodeling in place basically means you're doing remodeling procedures that cause dust while the people are still living in the homes. So what we do is we set up containment walls, we protect the floors, we run negative pressure with an air filter. But today I want to show you my tip for today is this Zipwall magnetic door. Now years ago we used to use a flap door, and then we also started using zipper doors, but they would break all the time and then they wouldn't seal. So these magnetic doors, they're flame retardant, they've got magnets in them. There's magnets around the edge here and a clip-on header, and it sets up in about 5 minutes. And it's real easy. Open, and then it self-seals. Now it's making a line. There we go. It self-seals. So bring it a little bit closer and just kind of show the magnet here. I don't know how much this costs. I bought it a little while ago, but we've been using it for a while now, and it works great. Hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.